April 1, 2023, Venus begins to approach the Pleiades star cluster after sundown. The moon covers or occults Eta Leonis during the night. Photo caption, Venus and Mercury, March 15, 2018. By Jeffrey L. Hunt. Chicago, Illinois, sunrise, 6:34 a.m. CDT, sunset, 7:16 p.m. CDT. Check local sources for sunrise and sunset times for your location. Times are calculated by the U.S. Naval Observatory's MICA computer program. Today's daylight length is 12 hours, 42 minutes. During the month, daylight increases 77 minutes to nearly 14 hours. Here is today's planet forecast. Morning sky. Chart caption, 2023, April 1st, Saturn is in the east-southeast before daybreak. 45 minutes before daybreak, Saturn is nearly 6 degrees above the east-southeast horizon. The planet is among the brightest star-like bodies in the morning sky, but not strikingly bright like Venus or Jupiter. Evening sky. Chart caption, 2023, April 1st, Venus and Mercury are in the west after sundown. Jupiter is moving towards solar conjunction on the 11th and its reappearance in the eastern morning sky before sunrise. This evening it is in bright twilight, setting only about 35 minutes after sundown. About 10 minutes later, brilliant Venus is over 25 degrees up in the western sky. The planet is the brightest star-like body, 10 times brighter than Sirius, the night's brightest star that is slightly higher in the sky than Venus and in the south-southwest. Mercury, starting its best evening appearance of the year for Northern Hemisphere sky watchers, is nearly 6 degrees above the western horizon and over 20 degrees to the lower right of Venus. The speedy planet is a little fainter than Sirius. Chart caption, 2023, April 1st to April 22nd, Venus moves from Aries into Taurus, passing the Pleiades and the Hyades. Venus begins to approach the Pleiades star cluster. The evening star is approaching the Aries-Taurus border, over 10 degrees to the lower right of the star cluster. The bright gibbous moon washes out the dimmer stars, and a binocular is helpful this evening to see the cluster as well as the Hyades cluster. With Aldebaran, the Hyades outlines the head of the bull. Watch Venus move closer and pass the Pleiades cluster on the 10th. The close appearance of Venus with the Pleiades is a remarkable sight. Chart caption, 2023, March 27th to April 1st, Venus moves through the same binocular field with Uranus. This evening, look for Venus and Uranus through a binocular. Tonight, place Venus near the top of the field of view. Aquamarine Uranus is near the center of the field. The more distant planet is faint and near the center of the field of view. Chart caption, 2023, April 1st, the gibbous moon is near Regulus after sundown. The bright gibbous moon, 84% illuminated, over halfway up in the southeastern sky, 6.1 degrees above Regulus, meaning the Prince, Leo's brightest star. Chart caption, 2023, April 1st, through a binocular, the moon is near Eta Leonis, Eta Leo, after sunset. Through a binocular, the moon is 2.6 degrees to the upper right of Eta Leonis, Eta Leo on the chart. Later tonight, the moon covers or occults the star from the Pacific Ocean basin, including Hawaii and French Polynesia. Chart caption, 2023, April 2nd, through a binocular, the moon passes near Eta Leonis, Eta Leo. From Chicago, the moon is closest to Eta Leonis around 3:15 a.m. CDT. Venus moves eastward faster than Mars, marching eastward near the foot of Castor, one of the Gemini twins. The gap between the two planets is nearly 45 degrees this evening. Watch Venus cut the gap to Mars during the next few months. Chart caption, 2023, April 1st, Mars is near Castor's heel, Tehat posterior, after sundown. This evening, find the red planet high in the west-southwest, to the lower right of Castor and Pollux, and to the lower left of Capella, the brightest star in Auriga. Mars is dimming from a growing distance to Earth, tonight nearly 136 million miles away. It is dimmer than Capella, yet brighter than the Gemini twins. This evening Mars is 3.4 degrees to the upper right of Tehat posterior, Castor's heel. Notice that Mars, the heel star, and Elena are nearly in a line. Chart caption, 2023, March 26 to April 5, Mars moves through the same binocular field with Purpose and Messier 35, M35. Through a binocular, Mars is 1.9 degrees above the star cluster Messier 35, M35 on the chart, along with Purpose, the toe, and Tehat posterior.